everybody, welcome to the Twisted Beanstalk. I'm just going to come on here for a couple minutes and show you this adorable piggy that is going, and it's wearing a little Twisted Beanstalk onesie. Super cute, right? So I'm just going to get this fatty dressed real quick. Put a toque on its head. There we go. Oh, cute. How awkward is that? How it's laying. Anyway, so I'm gonna give it this little piggy blanket, lovey. Get her rocking and rolling. This little hat is shedding. There we go. Wrap this baby up. Just like so. Put her in the box. So she's got the onesie on her, and what the heck did I, whatever, oops, just ripped my tissue paper. What is going on here, tissue paper? Stop making my life difficult. There we go. And I am going to sand the little piggy with a Twisted Beanstalk t-shirt. Oh. Put that right in here. Put some cards in. Of the baby. Sparkles. Ooh, pretty. I'm just going to wrap this up, and then I'm going to put it in a unicorn bag. Hey, Feeny. How was school? Long day, eh? I thought you had a half day today. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna put this right beside the piggy here. And she's got her Twisted Beanstalk onesie, the little piggy blanket, and she looks pretty good to go. Yeah. That's here. And I'm also, let me see. Where in the heck? Yep. Just gonna put those right on top here. And I'm not gonna seal them in case she wants to reuse them. I'm all about recycling at here. Recycling here at the Twisted Beanstalk, right? I know. I'm just cool that way. But anyway, so there she is, and she is ready to go. And my son loves making these piggies, so if anybody is interested, there will be some listed on my Etsy shop. I'll put the link in the description. And he is starting to do Piggy customs, and that's actually what this was. So if you guys are in, are you talking about me? Huh? Are ya? Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you see my notifications, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.